Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday's input for maths today. I hope you're all well and had a really good start to the week yesterday. So in maths today we are going to be thinking about comparing. I wonder if anybody can remember what comparing means. Yes, so it's to think about two different numbers or objects or more than two, and to compare them. So that might be if they are smaller, if they are larger. That might be if you think there are more in that group and less in that group. Comparing is just a way to sort things out, isn't it? So, thinking of this, I wonder if you can think of the words we have used to compare before. And there are also three symbols linked to those words. Let's have a look and see if you are right. We have thought about less than, equal to, and more than, haven't we? Or greater than. And the symbols linked to that is this one here, which would be less than. This one is equal to, and this one is more than. So we're going to begin by comparing these two amounts. Which is the greatest amount? A or B? Which line has the greatest amount of blocks? Yes, it is A, and you can see that as it is a little bit longer, isn't it? So I'm going to circle A as that is the greatest amount. And then I need to work out by how many. Now I am going to draw a line where they are the same. So I can see they are the same. I'm going to go along the bottom one until I get to the end. And then I can see in line with this one here. Oh, that doesn't help that I've done my line in white, does it? I can see to here that it is the same, which makes it really clear for me to see how many more A is, how much more cubes along it is, which makes it the greatest amount by 2. There is 1, 2 extra cubes, so it is the greatest amount by 2. Okay, let's move on. This time I have got some crayons and each pack is worth 10. So let's see which is the greatest amount. This is 10, so 10, 11, 12, 13. So this amount is 13. What about this amount over here? We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So which is the greatest amount? Which is the biggest number? Brilliant, this one here. So I'm going to circle 14. How much more is 14 than 13? How many more pencils did I have? I've got 10 and 10. And then I can see that I have 1, 2, 3 here. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have got 1 more pencil. So it is greater by 1. Okay, let's work out this amount this time. Let's count the cars first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12. Let's work out the numicorn. I know this is a 10, as this is a tens frame and it is full, so that is 10. And then I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 add 5, 10 add 5 ones is 15. So what is the biggest number, 12 or 15? What do you think? Brilliant, 15 is bigger, isn't it? But we now need to work out how much it is bigger by. So So it might help us to do a little mini number line, or you could count to 12 on your Numicon piece here. Let's do that instead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I've got the same amount and I can see how many am I left with? 3. So 15 is bigger by 3. It is the greatest amount out of them both by 3. Okay, so now I'm going to compare by using the language that we've used before. Again, I'm going to do my number underneath to make it really clear and help me work out which word I want to use. So I have got one lot of 10. And how many ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 add 9 is 19. How about this side? I've got one lot of 10, one tower of 10, and how many ones? 2. I have 12 and 19. Which word then will I need to put on my line? 19 is less than 12, equal to 12, or more than 12. Yes, I would need more than, because 19 is bigger than 12, isn't it? More than. And I would have done that on the line, but it hasn't let me. So 19 is more than 12 because it is bigger. It is the greatest number out of them both. Let's look at this one. Let's count my cubes together first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And let's work out my Numicon. This is a tower of 10. And then how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have got 15 and 15. Which word will I need? 15 is less than 15, equal to 15, or more than 15. Yes, I would need equal to. Because 15 is the same as 15, isn't it? It is the same amount. There is the same amount of cubes as there is holes in the Numicon pieces. What about this one here? How many circles do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So which word will I need this time? 6 is less than 11, equal to 11, or more than 11. I would need less than, wouldn't I? Because 6 is the smaller number. It is smaller than 11. Brilliant job, Year 1. Okay, now we've got a different task to do. We have got to circle the smallest number. Out of these numbers, which one do you think is the smallest? Yes, it would be 3, wouldn't it? As all the other numbers are bigger than 3. You would have to count on from 3 to reach the rest of these numbers. What about this one here? What is the smallest number on the screen? 7. Well done. Again, you would have to count on from 7 to be able to reach the rest of these numbers. There isn't a 10 in front of the 7 either, is there? And the other ones have got 1 10 in their column, or 20 has 2 10s, so they are much bigger than the 7. Lastly then, we've got to find the largest number this time, so the biggest number. Out of these ones, which is the biggest? Brilliant, it is 20. As we've just said, 20 has 2 10s and all of these other numbers have one 10. So 20 is the biggest. Great job, Year 1. So for your challenge today, you are going to be doing something very similar to what we've just been doing. So like I did, you'll circle the greatest amount and then you'll write by how many it is biggest. So you might want to do what I did and draw a line, and then you can easily see by how many more cubes. Here you will fill in with greater than, less than, or equal to, just like we did together just then, working out each time. I would suggest that you count your circles and write your number above or next to really help you and remind you, so you can look at them and think which word you have to have. And then down here, you've got to circle the smallest number. So you're going to have to do some amazing sounding out and then work out which is the smallest. And if you fancy it today, there is also a challenge. You've got to work out which is the odd one out and then tell me why it is the odd one out. So I hope you've enjoyed today's maths lesson. It's been fantastic to have another one with you all. I hope you enjoy the activity. I think you'll all do amazing, as I've been so impressed, as has Miss Evans, with how you've all picked up this place value unit. It has been amazing. So have a lovely Tuesday, and I can't wait to see what you get up to. Bye!